A lot of times when you're doing factoring, it's hard to figure out how to begin. Now, we're going to use something called grouping for factoring this problem because this one has 4 terms. Usually the number of terms indicates how you do the problem. So when there's 3 terms, it's a trinomial that you factor. A lot of times when there's 2 terms, it's the difference of 2 perfect squares. Well, this one has 4 terms, so when you see 4 terms, you use factoring by grouping. Now, the way that these usually get grouped are the first 2 get paired together, and then the last 2 get paired together, kind of like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this first grouping. I'm going to look at these first 2 terms and ask myself if those have any common factors. And they do. I can factor out a 2 and also an x squared from those first 2. Now what that leaves me with is x plus 3. Now when I go to this second pair, again, I look to see if these have any common factors. And both of these have a common factor of 5. So I factor that out. And that leaves me with x, and it leaves me with 3. So now I look at the whole problem again. So from among this first part and the second part, now these have a common factor of x plus 3, here and here. So I can factor out that entire quantity. So I write down the x plus 3. Now since that got factored out from this first part, all that's left is 2x squared. And it got factored out here also, so all that you have left is the 5. So here's your 2 factors. This one's now factored completely. So anytime you see 4 terms, you want to think about using factoring by grouping.